seller profile is what convinces buyers you're the right person for the job. So it's important to invest some time to craft a page that would make you stand out. Make sure to show your face. Buyers want to know they're dealing with a real person. Keep your profile professional, but don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. In your description, mention your experience, the principles that guide your work, and reference things you are passionate about so your prospects can get to know the person behind the scenes. Watch out for the space limits and don't put too many things that are off topic. A great profile inspires confidence in buyers and is a vital part of building your Fiverr business.